Fires raging in the LA area have many people asking what impact this could have on California's home insurance market. That's because in recent years, we've seen most of the state's biggest property insurers pause or limit business in the state, citing in part the rising risk of wildfire. Well, I brought that question to experts, and we hear from one woman for whom this is very personal.
There's a resident right up here who is not evacuated.
Around midnight Wednesday, an ABC News crew caught up with a woman spraying down her parents' Altadena home, trying to protect it from the Eaton fire as it burned neighbors' houses.
I know I'm not supposed to be here, but this is my parents' home.
Lynn Levin Guzman, an emergency room nurse, says her 90-year-old parents have lived in this house for decades.
And they've had the same insurance, and these insurance people decided to cancel their fire. And we're going through this, and it just happened, and they have no fire insurance.
Tens of thousands of Californians have found homeowners insurance grow increasingly unaffordable and unavailable in recent years, with companies citing the rising risk of wildfires, the cost of rebuilding, and state regulations.
It's a scary time.
Insurance expert Karl Susman himself evacuated his home. It's currently okay, he says, but will these fires in Los Angeles make insurance even more unavailable and unaffordable?
Well, this is what the industry's been afraid of, right?
He points out, as ABC 10 has been reporting, the California Department of Insurance rolled out its sustainable insurance strategy by the end of 2024, an overhaul to California's insurance regulations aimed at getting more people covered and giving insurance companies more modern tools to price their products.
Fortunately now, hopefully, they'll be able to pay these bills, do what they have to do, and then they can move forward with these new guidelines to be able to create products and pricing and discounts that work.
We asked consumer group United Policyholders how this fire could affect the cost of insurance.
We are hoping that the marketplace will still get better in the new year, knowing that this is a very large disaster. We're hoping the insurance companies that stayed not only pay out their claims, but have built in the rates that will make it sustainable for them to stay and grow.
And we asked a group representing the insurance industry, will companies stay or continue to flee?
The full scope of damage is not yet known, so we are closely monitoring to see what kind of impact the fires may have on the state's insurance marketplace. It's really too early to speculate on this.
As for Lynn, she and her brother in the backyard fought to save their parents' home.
I don't really have a plan. My emotions are my plan.
You're doing whatever you can.
And we don't yet know the fate of Lynn's parents' home. Meanwhile, we asked experts the best time to file a claim. One told us if you're on the FAIR plan, file as soon as possible.